my channel Galaxy of Thoughts. Today I am going to make a masala puri. So let's go guys. See guys, here I have taken 2 cups of atta, salt as required, pinch of fried masala, half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon ajwan, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon coriander powder. And garam masala as per your choice. Now guys, mix the all ingredients like this. Then added some water. And again mix the all ingredients properly like this. Now guys, added 1 tablespoon refined oil and then mix it. Guys, my dough is ready. Let's go to deep fry chapter. Here guys, I have taken 1 cup refined oil. Now guys, dip the mixture in the oil and roll like this in a circular shape. Then I am going to deep fry the masala puri like this. See guys, it is very fluffy. It is a very tasty masala puri. You can try this very easily at your home. This looks very nice. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like and share to my channel. Thank you.